Knowledge Bandara, an animated video presenting the world's best-selling books. Hello friends, welcome back to Knowledge Bandara. Do you want to live long and happy life? These ideals are likely to remain mere dreams for most of us, right? Don't worry. The secret to long life comes from finding joy and purpose every day. This week I am unfolding Ikigai, the Japanese secret to long and happy life. There is a place in Japan called Okinawa. The average lifespan of people over there is nearly 100 years. It's crazy, right? In this ultra-competitive environment, it's become all too common for people to try to gain an edge over others by taking advantage of them. It's rare nowadays to see someone displaying genuine honesty and kindness towards others. This book is based on authors' research and interviews with Japanese individuals who have lived long and fulfilling life. And also there is experiences and insights. So let's get started. The Japanese word has two characters, Iki, which means life, and Gai, which means value, which refers to the reason for being or the purpose of life. The book is divided into three parts. Part 1 is all about meaning of Ikigai and how it was derived, and the second part of the book reveals the secret to living long and happy lives. Finally, the way of Ikigai. In the final section, the authors offer practical advice for finding and pursuing one's own Ikigai. Let us proceed one by one. Part 1 of Ikigai explores the concept of Ikigai and its roots in Japanese culture. The authors begin by defining Ikigai as the reason for being or the thing that gets you out of the bed in the morning. They note that Ikigai is not just about finding pleasure or happiness, but about finding a sense of purpose and meaning in life. The authors draw on Japanese culture and traditions to illustrate the importance of Ikigai. They discuss the concept of Ichigo Ichii, which translates to one time, one meeting. This phrase captures the idea that each moment is unique and should be cherished, and that every encounter with another person is an opportunity to connect and find meaning. Each person's Ikigai is unique to them and may evolve and change over time. They encourage people to slow down, disconnect from distractions, and focus on the present moment. They note that this kind of introspection can help individuals better understand their own values and priorities. The authors highlight the benefit of pursuing one's Ikigai. They note that individuals who have a strong sense of purpose and meaning in life tend to be happier and healthier and are better equipped to cope with challenges and setbacks. Next, part 2, Secrets to Living Long and Happy Lives. Part 2 of Ikigai explores the connection between Ikigai and longevity, drawing on research and case studies of centenarians in Okinawa, Japan. The authors note that Okinawa is known for having the highest life expectancy in the world, and that this longevity is often attributed to the strong sense of community and the purpose that is cultivated in the region. The authors delve into specific habits and practices that contribute to a long and happy life. They note that physical activity, healthy eating, and stress reduction are all important factors, but also emphasize the role of social connections and a sense of purpose in promoting longevity. The authors discuss the concept of moi, which refers to the group of people who come together for a shared purpose. They note that moi are a common feature of Okinawan culture and that they help to provide individuals with a sense of belonging and social support. They also discuss the importance of maintaining close relationships with family and friends and of finding ways to contribute to one's community. The authors highlight the importance of having a positive outlook on life and note that centenarians in Okinawa tend to have a strong sense of optimism and resilience. They encourage readers to cultivate practices such as gratitude, mindfulness, and positive self-talk in order to foster a more positive mindset. In addition, the author encourages readers to make small changes in their daily routines, such as spending more time outside or practicing meditation every day. They also encourage readers to stay open to new experiences and opportunities and to be willing to take risks in pursuit of their goals and passions. Next, part 3 of Ikigai focuses on practical strategies for discovering and cultivating one's Ikigai. The authors suggest that the pursuit of Ikigai is a lifelong journey and that it requires ongoing reflection, experimentation, and self-discovery. The authors first encourage readers to reflect on their values and priorities and to identify the activities and experiences that bring them the greatest sense of joy, fulfillment, and purpose. They suggest that individuals can use this self-reflection to develop a personal mission statement or life purpose, which can serve as a guidepost for decision making and goal setting. The authors also discuss the importance of developing a growth mindset, which involves a willingness to learn from challenges and failures and to view obstacles as opportunities for growth and development. They suggest that individuals can cultivate a growth mindset by reframing negative thoughts and beliefs, practicing self-compassion and seeking out feedback and support from others. The authors then delve into the concept of Kaizen, which refers to the practice of continuous improvement. They note that small incremental changes can have a significant impact over time and suggest that individuals can use Kaizen to develop new skills, build positive habits, and pursue their goals and passions. The authors also discuss the role of community and social support in the pursuit of Ikigai. They suggest that individuals can benefit from surrounding themselves with like-minded individuals who share their values and goals, and from seeking out mentors and role models who can offer guidance and support. Finally, the authors offer a series of practical exercises and techniques for discovering and cultivating one's Ikigai. These include practices such as journaling, meditation, visualization, and goal setting. They also encourage readers to experiment with new activities and experiences and to stay open to unexpected twists and turns of the journey. Throughout part 3, the authors emphasize the pursuit of Ikigai is a deeply personal and individual process, and that there is no right path to discovering one's purpose and passion. They encourage readers to embrace their own unique journey and to approach the pursuit of Ikigai with curiosity, openness, and a spirit of adventure. Overall, Ikigai is a thoughtful and practical guide to finding meaning and purpose in life. The author's approach is grounded in research and personal experiences and offers actionable strategies that readers can implement in their own lives. The book is a useful resource for anyone who is seeking greater fulfillment and happiness in their daily lives. In this week's book recommendation, I would recommend Codename God, written by Mani Bhaumik. This book is all about science and spirituality, where he discusses physics and its connection to God. Absolutely flawless journey to science and philosophy. Read this book. See you in my next video. Bye.